What's up everybody, my name is JR, aka the Sinister Camaro, and welcome to another video. Today we got a very special video for you guys. I really don't know what to expect with this, but I really wanted to put this on the channel for you because after the 10 years I've owned this car, I have never once changed the cabin air filter. That's right, I've never done that in 10 years. These things are supposed to be changed every year or so, I think, but this has never been changed. So today I want to show you guys exactly what to do, and then we're going to take a look and see how nasty it is. Now, being on the Camaro forums, I've seen anywhere from just black or brown looking filters. So we've seen some really dirty filters. I don't know what to expect. I'm really hoping it's not that bad because these things are supposed to protect you from germs and from nasty molecules getting to the cabin when you're running your AC or your heat. So let's go ahead and figure this stuff out and see just how bad it really is. We're gonna interrupt this video for a special announcement from our sponsors. They've been a huge help to this channel, and I thank them every single day for the awesome products that they give you guys and for you guys buying them, because without you guys doing that, our channel would not be supported like it is right now. So thank you guys so much for everything that you've done so far. So today's video has been sponsored by Manscaped. That's right, Lawnmower 3.0. It's the best shave that you can possibly get. I mean, you got an LED light so you can do in the dark if you need to. It's got that quiet sense technology so you don't wake the baby at night. And of course, you can even do it in the shower. That's right, it's waterproof in the shower. So don't forget to use our code Camaro20. You'll see it down below and in the description, all that good stuff. But use that code, use that link. Trust me, get yourself one of these. Get yourself an ear, nose trimmer. They even have a special kit, a 4-piece kit with like nail trimmers and nail files. Everything that you need to stay tip-top at your best. Look at this nice shirt. Fits very well. I love it. What about underwear? They got that too. There's so many things. They care about you guys so very much. That's why they're giving us a 20% off plus free shipping code. So use Camaro20 to save yourself some money and get yourself the best product on the market. Because trust me, this is wife approved. 2020 has been a crazy year so far, and it's not seeming to let up. So make sure, don't let yourself go in this regard. Make yourself feel so much better, and your significant other thinks so too. So thank you everyone at Manscaped for sponsoring this video. Let's get back to it. So first, you're gonna need your handy dandy filter, which I got off Amazon, really cheap one. I'll leave the model right here that I picked up. It's a Purelator, breathe easy. It's like a really simple, probably like $10, $15 part. But that's gonna be your cabin air filter. Then you need your pry tool, of course, to get your little nice little plastic rivets up with, make it a lot easier. You could do it with a flathead screwdriver, that's what I used to do it with, but it's much easier to do it with a pry tool like this. And it helps but not required to have a light with you as well, so you can actually see in here and see what you're doing. So let's go ahead and look for the rivets. You're gonna have one right here, and one way down there for a total of 3. And what you want to do is take your pry tool, go ahead and put it in the top section here, and pop that up to unlock it, like so. And then you go underneath that. It's hard to do with one hand. And pop it right out, just like that. Be careful not to lose those. It could fall inside there. Now I've already gotten it started. You want to remove the weather stripping here, set it to the side, pull up on this guy to reveal your cabin air filter, which is right here. Now I've got my light in there so you can see a little bit better, but there's your cabin air filter. What you're gonna do is come to the side here. You'll see these little side tabs. You just pop them to the side. And just like that, it comes right off. You got your little shroud over your cabin air filter. Set it to the side. And as you can see here, remember this, arrow pointed up, that's where the air flows from inside, from the engine bay to inside the cabin of the car. So make sure that you have that when you put it back in. But just tug up on it, a little bit of force, boom, there you go. Wow. Wow. Look how dirty that is. That got in our car. And of course, nice white. Let's take it out of the bag. So here you go, 10 years, fresh. 10 years, fresh. Now remember, cabin air filters, change them out. They recommend every year, so keep that in mind. But wow, that's the difference. So remember, just like we said before, you see the arrow pointing to airflow? make sure that arrow is pointing into the cabin. So what we're gonna do is slide it on in. All right, so here we go. I've got it started. Boom. Yep, just like that. As you can see, it is done. Funny part is, the Purelator is actually a company right down the street, so I could have probably went up there to get it. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in reverse. We're gonna put our shroud back on. We're gonna put the plastic cover back on, and we should be ready to rock. All right, so I'm gonna attempt this with one hand. Make sure your shroud is like this. Put it over top, and then pop it into place. Make sure that your little rivets down here poking through. All right, so once you hear it clamp down on both sides, tug on it just a little bit, it should be good to go. So that's step number one. I'm going back through it. All right, so this guy took a little bit of finessing, but we got it in place. We got the weather strip back on, and now we just put these guys back in, and that'll be it. All right, just like that, it is all done. We're ready to go. 10-year air filter. Can you believe it? Never even knew about this. Look how bad that is. All that could have gotten in my car. But as always, thank you so much for joining me in my garage today, and I hope you learned something new. Just don't forget, every year, change your cabin air filters. If your car has one, every car should, and hopefully it's as easy to get to as this. This would have taken me maybe 5 minutes to do, and it's like a $10 to $15 part. So very easy to do, anybody can do this, but just remember, every year, change it out or something like that. Keep yourself safe, stay protected. If you did enjoy this video, or if it helped in any way, shape, or form, make sure to leave a like on this video because it does help us to make more content. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for cool stuff like this on the Camaro. We got a new car coming up, and we've got our own merch store, so the SinisterCamaro.com. Hoodies just went up on there. They're awesome, they're amazing. I've been wearing them all week. It's very warm. I love the pattern on it. So go check it out. You might find something you like. That's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys for joining me. Don't forget, always remember, stay sinister.
Perfect.